In this video, I will show you step by step how you can connect your Google Ads conversion tracking to Shopify. So in the end, you know exactly what Google Ads campaigns are driving your results. My name is Robin from Robtronic Media. It's a pleasure to have you in this tutorial. Today we keep it simple. We don't use any code or technical elements, so you can easily follow along. The benefit of this method is that it's simply the most accurate in the market right now. So you don't lose any essential data once you start running ads. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So what we need to get started is a Google Ads account, a Shopify website and a Trackbee account. The Trackbee account we use to integrate Shopify with Google Ads. You can click on the link in the description and go to Trackbee itself. So here you can create an account. I highly suggest that you log in with Google, so your ad account from Google is already synchronized with your Trackbee account, which makes the process quite easy. So let me show you how to log in through Google. I click on Google, I accept the terms right here, I choose any name right here, I fill in my organization name, I don't need to upload any picture. And there we are. This is already an open account right here. So now we can get started and click on Add New Store right here. Click on Shopify. Now you can get started and copy and paste the URL from your store right here. Now we can get ahead and connect Trackbee to our Shopify website. So you press here, install the app, install. Install one more time. I always like to pin it in the menu. Now we go back to Trackbee and say I've installed this application. We can copy and paste this API code. Go back to Shopify and press the API code here. Now we successfully enabled the API. Click Enable Embed. Now you simply enable it right here and press save. Once done, we go back to Trackbee and press here next. We already successfully did that, so check the box here and press next. Before the connection is successful, you of course need to hit the like button if this video is valuable for you. Alright, let's continue. Now it's going to connect to the website. Oh, that was fast. It's already connected. Now you go back to dashboard here and you end up with the overview. So now what we did is connect Trackbee to Shopify, but what is missing yet is the connection with Google Ads. So we will integrate that right now. We press here in the drop down menu. We press here connect with Google Ads. You press your right email address right here. You press continue. Now you can select the right ad account number. There should be only one since you have one ad account, and then press connect here. So now it's successfully synchronized inside the Google Ads account. So what it will do is connect all the conversion code to your Google Ads account as well. So you don't need to worry about that. You just press OK right here. It said it can take around 6 hours. So all essential things will be implemented. Page view, add to cart, initial checkout and the purchase tracking. So now we just simply need to wait. And what it does if we go back here. So from now, Trackbee is synchronized with your Google Ads account. It will forward all data collected from Shopify back to the Google Ads dashboard in real time. So you don't need to worry about that at all. Trackbee is free the first 50,000 euros in revenue you collect with them. And for us, it's 95% accurate tracking from Google Ads. If you're happy and satisfied with Trackbee, you can choose a plan after the 50,000 euros of revenue. You can select code ROBIN50 to get 50% of your first plan. Now your website is set up for success and you know exactly what campaigns are driving your results. So to verify if Trackbee implemented all essentials in your Google Ads account, you simply go to the ad account right here. You go to targets and press for a conversions overview. So what you can see here is that Trackbee implemented all things successfully. We can see here product view, page view, checkout started, add to cart and order, aka purchase conversion. So later on when you start making Google Ads campaigns, you can target the campaigns on order or purchase, as we can say. Alright, and that wraps up the video for today. My name is Robin van Robtronic Media, and I currently help 25 or more partners scale up to 100,000 euros or more using Google Ads only for their Shopify e-commerce website. If you would like me to personally help you achieve one of these goals, click on the link on the description and apply for a call right there. If you need any more information, here are the recommendations.